Hello there. What's up? I know what are you searching for. It's how to make a Facebook. Can I make money online with my Facebook? First, you need to do is to visit the link in description to discover how you can make a Facebook. Visit facebook.com and create account for free then. 1. Create a profile on Facebook. 2. Upload pictures and videos. 3. Visit your homepage every day. 4. Make friends on Facebook. 5. Join a few groups. There are all sorts of organic groups in Facebook. 6. Send notes and share links. 7. Create events and invite people. 8. Use friends' walls and never post on your own wall. I guess you now understand how to make a Facebook and how you can make money online with your Facebook. Click the link in description to get the best strategy to make money online. Click the link in description to get the best strategy to make money online.